Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Norlii box from Denmark, so let's get in and check it out. If you are new to Norlii, it is a Scandinavian decor box. It comes from Denmark. It is all about clean lines and harmonious living. It's more organic and natural items. They call it hygge, which always throws me off because it's H-Y-G-G-E, but they say hygge, and I love this box. Last month, this is much smaller than last month. In the last box, we got a full-size, it was a bathroom refresh, and we got a full-size picture and a really pretty hand towel that I used. I immediately refreshed a bathroom with last month's because it was so gorgeous and so soft and nice. This month's box is a little smaller. Doesn't mean it's not going to be filled with great things. This box is sent to me for review, but because I review it, we have a code McCarty15 that will get you $15 off your first box. I will put the link down below so you can go over and check it out when we're done seeing what's in here. When we open it up, it says, "Hello from Scandinavia. Enjoy the season." So this is going to be the December. It comes out bi-monthly. We take it out, it says Scandinavian Traditions. That's what that looks like. And inside, it will tell us a little bit about everything in the box. It is jam-packed full of goodies. First out, we have two things that look very much the same, so I'm betting they're together. Looks like we have some sort of Christmas ornament. Ooh, I wonder if I can work that into this situation. I need a stand to put that on, and then I was going to say working this in might be really fun. Ornaments from Bloomingville, and it says, "We bring you the familiar charm of fold-out paper ornaments in their soothing, dusty hues. These delicate pieces recall the comforting tradition of decorating for the holidays. With its understated design, each ornament carries the quiet elegance inherent to the Scandinavian style." Let's go ahead and get into these. So we have two. One is red and one is kind of just card craft color, maybe gold when we get it open. They feel, did you do these when you were kids and they had the little metal parts that you would fold over to the other side? This feels much, much heavier than that. It is very heavy. These back parts are very thick, and even the paper inside, I'm having a hard time doing this with my little thick fingers. The paper inside is like very thick. Oh, very thick cardstock. Did you hear that? I'll show you with the other one when we do it. I don't want to undo it since I finally got it, but that is the burgundy-ish one. That is so lovely. I don't know whether I want to have that up here or actually take it downstairs and put it on the tree. I have my tree up. I don't have it decorated yet. I'm taping this the Tuesday before Thanksgiving. Okay, ready? Did you hear it? Here, I'll do it one more time just in case. Oh, will I? So it's magnetized. That is so much easier. When we were kids, we had those little metal pieces that we would fold over to the other side. That is super fun and pretty. Ooh. We've decorated my hashtag. That's fun. Okay, next out we have, oh, the Mows coffee and caramel and organic marshmallow, salt and white chocolate, honest expected, created by Emma Bleu. We don't know who that is over here, but I think I love her already. That is what the back looks like. The paperwork says the Mows. Finally sweeten your holiday traditions with gourmet marshmallows from the Mows. These delightful treats are a reminder of the simple joys of the season. Enjoy them by the fireplace or use them to top your hot cocoa, adding a touch of Scandinavian hygge to your December rituals. And it says at the bottom of this, by the way, the total value of the box is $126. And if you sign up and you pay bi-monthly, it is $74.90, but you'll get $15 off your first box. And if you prepay annually, it brings it down to $69.90. I just went ahead and opened them because I figured we wanted one, right? We definitely want one. Ooh, they're small. I mean, not small. It's full. I mean short. Once you bite into it, you can see the layering better. Oh my goodness. Coffee. That is really good. It's like coffee ground coffee. That sounds negative. It doesn't taste like you're drinking coffee. It tastes like coffee grounds smell. I love coffee, so it is a fantastic flavor. You get the caramel. You get the marshmallow. Oh my goodness. See you in a minute. The marshmallows to the chew are a little tough, but I just brought this in from outside and it is very cold. So I suspect when they come to room temperature, they'll be far less chew. Tough was a harsh word. They weren't super soft like our marshmallows are. But B, if you don't think of it just as a fluffy marshmallow, just as a sugary treat, it is delicious. And it's chewy. think circus peanut, but caramelly and coffee. It's delicious. There's something really big in this box. Ooh. Oh, we got something else down there too. Ooh, this looks like it's going to be a vase. Let's get this out of here. It's the Mows. This is really interesting. Did you see when all of people were buying canvases and buying, like, I don't know what they put on it, like the things you use, spackle, and they would leave it in, I don't know if I can, how well I can show that. Oh yeah, there you go. And they would leave it kind of rough, and then they would paint white or cream over it and use that picture as a design. That is very much the feel of this. The outside feels kind of like raw earthenware, but the inside, I don't know if I can show. Oh yeah, there you go. It's shiny. So you could literally use this as a vase, and because it's a little rough, they have put feet on it so it won't hurt your table. The paperwork says this is the curry vase from Mows. The vase, made of clay in a nod to the timeless artistry of Scandinavian design, is rustic, earthy, and aesthetic, and it adds an element of grounded elegance to your home, reminding us of the Scandinavian affinity for the natural beauty in their crafts. That is really pretty. It is very rustic looking, but there's something about it that's just warm. I was gonna say, I think the inside has a tinge of green in it, but I don't think it is. I think it's just the beige and my lighting. Very cool. And we have one more thing down here. Some sort of table linen piece, I suspect, because it's kind of big. Ooh, I'd say it's a table runner. Exactly. Where's the edge? Here we go. It's a pretty gray table runner. It feels very much like linen. I will tell you all about it in a second, but she's pretty. I love that color. Also going downstairs. This is a linen table runner, and it says the deep gray linen table runner from Au Maison. I'm sure they say that much nicer than I just did. Adds a touch of sophistication. This piece is hand sewn in Denmark and nods to the tradition of gathering around the table, sharing stories and creating memories. The rich, deep gray hue mirrors the winter skies of Scandinavia, while the soft linen texture adds an element of comfort. This is 100% linen, and it is that, I'm never sure how to say it, Oiko or Oko text, which I see a lot when I'm buying even clothing, but most fabric things like this, I think it's a way that they do the materials that's better for the environment. I think that's the story. I should look it up. If I look it up, I'll put it down in the description. But that is gorgeous. I am very excited about this. This is going down directly to my table, my aesthetic exactly. I have most of my life decorated in warm colors, and I have been fully embracing the whole new, more minimalist, I don't want to say white because I don't have anything that's white, but less, just less. I think that's the way to say it. Sharper lines, less design, less stuff cluttering. This is a horrible example. I'm a work in progress. All right, that was our Norlii box. Again, this is a Scandinavian design box. I love the design boxes. We got this lovely linen table runner that's in that really dark gray. These incredible, the mallows with coffee and caramel. Our two ornaments. See, we've decorated. We are fully decorated for Christmas. And this gorgeous but earthy vase. How pretty is that? If you have any questions, let me know down below. If I can't help you with it, I will try and find out the answer. I will put the link and my code McCarty15. I want to thank Norlii for sending this over. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you are having a great holiday season. I will see you again really soon. Take care, guys.